Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you UAE teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dessc.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Dubai English Speaking College. In this main page, left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option work with us. If you click this link work with us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Dubai English Speaking College. We have following vacancies available: science technician, chemistry specialist, mathematics teacher, music teacher, physics teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. So first one is we can check physics teacher. This job is going to start January 2022. So successful applicant will meet this following requirement. So have the relevant qualification, minimum 1 year teaching experience in the UK curriculum and qualified teacher status, talented and motivated, either GCSE or A level preferred. So what are the compensation and benefit? Highly competitive tax-free salary, accommodation allowance, medical insurance, annual flight allowance, tuition fee up to 2 children, end of service, gratuity in UAE labor law. So these are the vacancies. The closing date of application is Sunday 31st October 2021. Before that you can submit your application as per instruction. CVs will not be accepted. Only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can apply online application form. Please complete our application form by clicking here. Next one is music teacher. So this job also going to start January 2022 or August 2022. So if you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. Have the relevant qualification, minimum 2 years teaching experience in UK curriculum and qualified teacher status. So same compensation and benefit. This job is going to close Sunday 31st October 2021. So mathematics teacher, January 2022 going to start. Have the relevant qualification or equivalent, minimum 1 year teaching experience, UK curriculum and qualified teacher status. So GCSE or A level preferred. Closing date of application 31st October 2021. The last one, science technician, chemistry specialist. Have excellent literacy skill in GCSE English level or equivalent qualification, working knowledge of IT skills. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your cover letter and CV to desc_jobs@dessc.sch.ae. So adding the role that you are applying for in the subject line. Closing date of application Friday 29th October 2021. So if you want the job description, you can click this job description for lab technician chemistry. This is job description and person specification, science lab technician. What are the responsibilities? Person specification. So if you are interested in maths, music and physics teacher, you can submit the online application form. So here they are given. Please complete our application form by clicking here. So if you click here, you can get one online application form. This application form should take approximately 20 minutes to complete. There are 6 pages in this application form. Page number 1. So please do not submit a separate CV or letter of application. First you have to submit your photo. Please upload a copy of your recent passport photograph here. Here red color asterisks are mandatory. So your personal details, subject information, then you can give it to the next page. Page number 2, about you. Page number 3, employment details. Page number 4, career gaps. Employment references. 3 references are mandatory. Page number 5, health declaration and disclosure, employment of relatives, safer recruitment. Page number 6, additional information to support your application. Once you have completed, you can submit your online application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. This is the way you have to submit your job application for Dubai English Speaking College. If you want more details about the job vacancies, you can check it in the menu one by one. So work experience opportunities in left corner available, working at DESC. So one by one you can check it in the menu. Everything you can get it in the menu itself. There look forward to receiving your application for further consideration. Work experience opportunities. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.ebs.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Elite Private School. In this main page, right corners, careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Elite Private School, Abu Dhabi. So open position for kindergarten teacher, native English speaker, primary class teacher, teaching assistant, assessment coordinator, cleaner or support staff. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit your application. For example, if you are interested for primary class teacher, you can click this link. They are looking primary classroom teacher in US Curriculum School, Abu Dhabi. Candidate must be available for an online interview and demo class. Candidate must possess bachelor or master degree and a teaching qualification from recognized university. So they are offering competitive salary, employment visa, health insurance, annual flight allowance will be provided. Interested candidate apply with updated CV. Immediate joiners located in Abu Dhabi with prior ADK approval will be given preference. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can click this link, apply for this job, right corner available. Here green color asterisks are mandatory. This is online application form. First name, last name, your email ID, phone number. Then you can attach your CV, decide pay. Once you have filled this job application form, you can submit the application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So if you want to know the job description, right corner available. So you can check one by one. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.